All right, so now that we've taken a look at the actual dial here, and this is pretty straightforward to remove, we can take a look at the wrist bit here, and I'm not sure how to open it, and not sure why they couldn't have just done it the same way they did this. This is the best one. It just came open so easily. This one is going to be, I can honestly say that I liked even the tabs were better than this. Feels like you just have to rip this up here. Is there another tab or something? Looking around. Oh, they have some kind of thing. Have some kind of thing here that they want you to pull on. I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.